Do you look in the mirror and wish your skin felt as young as you feel inside? Sagging skin and deep wrinkles aren't just about getting older. They are a sign that your body's collagen factory has slowed down. But what if you could restart that factory using just the food on your plate? Today, I'm revealing the exact collagen-boosting diet that firms skin from the inside out. I will show you the science-backed fruits, veggies, and daily habits to reverse the clock. Stick with me until the end, because one healthy habit might actually be destroying your skin. Let's get your glow back. To fix sagging skin, we must first understand what holds it up. Think of collagen as the glue that keeps your skin firm and bouncy. By age 60, our bodies produce about 50% less collagen than in our youth. This loss leads to the sagging and thinning skin we see in the mirror. But science shows we can fight back with the right nutrition. The most important player in this process is vitamin C. Without vitamin C, your body simply cannot produce or store collagen. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition confirms a high vitamin C intake is linked to fewer wrinkles. Start your day with a bowl of fresh citrus fruits, like oranges and grapefruit. But don't stop there. Bell peppers actually contain more vitamin C than oranges. Kiwi is another powerhouse that repairs damaged skin cells. Strawberries and blueberries are packed with antioxidants that protect your existing collagen. These fruits act like a natural shield against the sun's harmful rays. They stop the collagen-munching enzymes that cause premature aging. Try adding a handful of these berries to your morning oats or yogurt. This simple habit provides the building blocks your skin is starving for. By feeding your skin the right fuel, you start the firming process from within. Now that we have vitamin C, we need the actual building blocks of skin. These building blocks are called amino acids, and they come from protein. As we age, our muscles and skin need more high-quality protein to stay firm. Research from the Journal of Nutrition highlights that lean protein is vital for skin repair. For my plant-based viewers, beans and lentils are fantastic choices. They provide the glycine and proline your body uses to create new collagen. Leafy greens like spinach and kale are also essential for your skin's health. They contain chlorophyll, which has been shown to increase collagen in the skin. These greens act like a natural detox for your complexion. But diet is only half the battle for firming your skin. You must also improve your blood circulation through gentle exercise. Simple facial exercises can actually lift the muscles under your skin. Try the cheek lifter by smiling wide and lifting your cheeks toward your eyes. Yoga and brisk walking also push nutrient-rich blood to your face. This internal massage helps deliver vitamins directly to your skin cells. When you combine the right protein with movement, the results are powerful. You are not just eating better, you are rebuilding your skin structure. To keep your skin supple, you must lock in moisture from the inside. Healthy fats act like a natural moisturizer for your skin cells. Avocados are rich in vitamin E and fats that protect skin from damage. Walnuts and flax seeds provide omega-3 fatty acids to reduce inflammation. The Journal of Dermatological Science notes that omega-3 south help maintain skin elasticity. Next, let's talk about safe supplements to give you an extra boost. Collagen peptides are a popular and generally safe option for seniors. Look for hydrolyzed collagen, as it is easier for your body to absorb. Always consult your doctor before starting any new supplement routine. Hyaluronic acid supplements can also help your skin hold on to water. This prevents that crepey or dry look that often comes with age. However, avoid excessive sugar, as it actually breaks down your collagen. High sugar intake causes a process called glycation, which leads to wrinkles. Hydration is your final and most important daily task. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin plump and glowing. By following this diet and routine, you are taking control of your aging process. Consistency is the key to seeing real changes in your mirror. Start today, and your skin will thank you for years to come. Thank you for watching, and stay healthy on your wellness path.